Hello, my cheeky girl. Look at your nose. You're so sore. Yeah, it's so sore, isn't it? Yes. You got the poorly little nose. Right, he's going to be like sister now. Eh? Are you trying to be like your sister now? Yeah. Yes, you're so cheeky. Oh. No. What? Why? Mwah! Thank you. Mwah! Thank you. Mwah! Thank you. Good morning, guys. So this morning I have taken Amelia to school and Isla is at nursery, although she wasn't happy about it and she went in kicking and screaming as usual. But she's there, and today is all about me and Layla May. We are going to do some painting later. We're going to do some firework painting, and then I will give her a bath, and then we're going to do some brownies for when the kids finish school. So I need to nip to Morrison's to get some icing writing tubes, so they can draw some little fireworks on the brownies later for Bonfire night tonight. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing later today, me and Layla anyway, so we'll see you all there. Bye! Okay guys, so Layla is having her nap, so I'm going to make the brownies now, so they're ready for the girls just to decorate when they get home from school and nursery. So I'll add this in, and then so just to add an egg. Hello, gorgeous. Alright guys, well we've just been shopping and now I'm going to have a play in the garden because we've only got like 20 minutes, we've got to set off. So she may as well just stay in the garden and have a play until we've got to go and get Amelia from school. Yes, you're loving life, aren't you, baby? Hiya! What are you doing in the garden? Hey? Where's your red ball gone? Where's your red ball gone? Yay! You found it! You found your ball! What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? What are you going to do, Layla? What are you going to do with your ball? It's a big ball. Here we it to Mummy. Oh, careful. Doink, 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 doink. Boink, boink. Boink, boink. Ready? And throw. Look at it. You gonna go get it? Yes. Yeah, your ball, baby. It's your ball. Go on then. Prepping for bonfire night tonight, guys. Everything's ready. That's it, well done. That's it. Just covered up the apple.
Try to get it on the the back of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then put it in the sprinkles, alright?
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's good. So if you tip the sprinkle bowl a bit, there you go. And dip it in. Put it all around, that's it. Okay, all done. Good. We're getting there. Wow. We're done. You're doing good. How many have you done, Amelia?
I've done that one.
Wow.
And then do
Well
that.
done. Who's doing? So we've got all our bonfire treats ready. So we've got some chocolate toffee apples with sprinkles. No, some chocolate apples with sprinkles. We've got some chocolate brownies with a firework display. We've got marshmallows for the s'mores. And we've got toffee apple. Oh, look at that, girls. Hey, you got some tea. Hey, you got some tea. Yummy, Layla. 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 Are you having some tea? We're going to do some fireworks soon. Yeah.
Mummy.
What?
Milk.
You having some milk? Okay, it's fine. Make sure you eat some din-dins up. Yeah? Both of you. Yeah. Do your name, Amelia?
Yeah. Dot. This is.
Well done.
And then I'm going to do Haigh.
Come on then. Oh, God.
How about Marie? Ready for the wet one?
Yay! Have a little bonfire for the night. Oh, oh dear. Woody. What, baby? You can't come down here, Baba. You going down? And go on then. Oh. Whee! Good girl. Excited for the fireworks, guys?
Yeah. Make it up.
Hey? Yeah, I'm going to do in a minute.
We're doing our own fireworks.
Go round the other way.
We are going to do our own fireworks.
Go round.
And then it's going to go up in the sky. What do we do now? So we do like a work here. And then we do like this here. And then we go back onto this. Okay. And then go.
Where?
Do that. What? You do that.
What? You can't go near it. What's been like a...
Basically, you just do. Stand there.
Go on then. Whee! Good girl. What are you doing, Layla? Oh dear. Whee! Hello. You want to rock, Layla? Hey, hey, hey! I've got her. Whee! Good girl.
Bang.
Whee! Night night. So see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Night.
Aww.
Bye.
Your kisses. Your kisses to the camera. Mwah. Aww, good girl. You say night night.
Night night.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Love you.
Love you. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.